This is Alcazaba Beach, one of the most established beachfront urbanizations on the Costa del Sol. We're situated between Estepona and Puerto Banús, right on the beachfront, with all the amenities close by, golf courses, restaurants, chiringuitos, everything you could ever want. Alcazaba Beach is actually quite famous for its gardens. It has tropical mature gardens, lagoon-style pools, restaurant, the facilities, and it has 24-hour gated security. So what I'm showing you today is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, ground floor corner apartment. It's got 147 square meters and 48 square meters of terrace. So come on in, let's have a look. The real story here is the renovation. It has been completely rebuilt to the highest standards with every attention paid to detail. Have a look at this kitchen. Open plan, Miele appliances, cava display or champagne, whichever you want to put in it. Breakfast, dining area, gorgeous snug to the sea. Everything flows, it's all open plan, and because we're on the corner, we just keep going and we find dining area, sitting area. We've got direct access to the gardens. So we just have to walk out, go around the corner, and we're at the community pool with a chiringuito and a little restaurant. This is what I mean when I say it's special. It's the corner apartment right at the end of Alcazaba Beach. You're not overlooked, and you're standing here feeling like it's your own private garden. So the apartment is full of details and surprises. This is an electric fireplace. It's one of 2. We've got this one here, and we've got one in the main suite. And we have, surprise, look where your TV is. You've got a Bang Olufsen sound system throughout, hidden in this beautiful decorative piece. You also have Airzone fitted, so you've got climate control in all the rooms. We're going into the master bedroom, and let's have a look at that. It's a complete suite, plenty of wardrobes, double vanity, walk-in shower. You know what it reminds me of? A suite in a resort hotel anywhere in the world, Mandarin Oriental, 4 seasons. But where in the world are you going to be able to shower and look at Gibraltar at the same time? And another thing that this developer likes to do is hidden doors, have everything discreet. This one takes you to the loo. Electric fireplace, TV, and check out that for a view. Across from the main suite, we have another 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of them here, and again, attention to detail, beautiful wardrobes, and how cute is this little space, little nook in here. Read a book, and you've got more light. And here's the second one. Again, built-in wardrobe, all with concealed lighting, and another little nook. We're in a 2nd bathroom, and I found another hidden door, and this one leads to the laundry. How cute is that? So all in all, we have ground floor, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, beach in front of you, and backed by a developer who stays with you after the closing. They're offering a 2-year after-sales service plan, which is unheard of and which is one of the reasons which we love to work with this particular developer. If you have any questions about this property or Alcazaba Beach, just get in touch with us to book your viewing. I'm Mary Dunn from MP Dunn and Hamptons International. When it comes to your home, it's always personal.